It's a 2019 Ford Fusion. Respond to the mundane with this stimulating Fusion. It has the composed ride, sharp handling, and safety features you're looking for in a midsize sedan. It's well equipped with the features you need: voice activation, Ford Pass Connect Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, Ford Pass Connect remote engine start smart device, manual tilting steering column, EcoBoost engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and Bluetooth streaming audio. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback, and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.